Hi everyone, you're welcome to my Professor Note. This is Bhupesh Sharma. I have qualified my NET in English literature. This is my scorecard, and here I am to help you guys in your journey to qualify NET now. So there is a book that you might be underestimating. This time in your NET examination, in the second shift and in the first shift as well, there were 5 questions asked directly, and 2 of the questions which would have bounced over your head. The one question was about the pseudonym of the Black Art Movement's founder Emery Baraka, and another question was about the Goethe's German work English translation. And these both of the things were mentioned in this book, because we are not going to randomly search for these books, but if we have a book, we surely underlined it, and I have underlined this and I have mentioned these both of the things in my crash course study material. If you have bought that, so you would have surely attempted it. The name of the book is The Grocery of Literary Terms by M.H. Ibrahim. If there is a student who want to qualify their Master English entrance test, this book can single-handedly make them qualify their entrance exam. You can tell this. If you find any student who is really confusing now, who is preparing for their Master English entrance examination, please tell them that this is the book which can make them qualify their English literature entrance exam single-handedly, right? Even though in your PhD of English literature entrance examination, this book is going to help you immensely in case if your exam is not descriptive as it was in my case in one of the state university HPU. So this is how this book can help you to qualify a lot of your entrance examinations. But there are a lot of students I found still confusing. There's which coaching, which book, which notes. I have told you a lot about qualifying this whole examination, but if still you seems confused, you really do not want to do the hard work. You're just simply finding the comfortable alternatives. So please stop doing it. Push your limits. And if you want to get access to the crash course study material which I provide for your English entrance examination, your UGC NET set gate, especially for UGC NET which I have qualified, so you can get access to it. It covers all your 10 units in a clean and precise manner. You simply have to contact me on the below given numbers in the description box, and I'll be more than happy to give you access to these notes. They are available in a very affordable price. And very soon I'll be back with another relevant video. Till then time, keep pushing your limits. This is Bhupesh Sharma signing off.